Today I'm gonna clean my dirty Rubik's Cube. First, I gently open up the Rubik's Cube. Then I disassemble the cube. I was shocked to see that there was nothing inside the core, but I cleaned it anyway. After I clean the core, I now have to clean the pieces of the Rubik's Cube. The corners were the dirtiest. Now, I have to reassemble the cube, which was the hardest part because pieces kept popping out. The pieces still kept popping out, so I had to use tape. After putting the white pieces in, it still was gonna pop, so I had to put tape on the cross. Now all I have to do is just put the pieces back in. And finally, it turns straight again.